Welcome back to Minister Jenny Alufa's channel. On today's video, I want to share with you how I made this cake. Yeah, I bake bread, I bake all sort of bakings, but cake, this is my first time of showing you a cake recipe. Please do continue watching if you want to know how I achieved this cake. First of all, I want to prepare my pan down and set it aside. If you have a regular pan, it's really very okay. It's even better. But this is the pan I have, and it really works for me because I can actually remove it later when I'm done. It makes it easier for me to remove when I'm done baking. First of all, I am just going to pour all the dried ingredients on the sheave and just remove the excess sand or if there are dirt in it. It's very important when you are baking to use a sheave to just filter it first to avoid seeing anything inside your dough or batter or whatever you are baking. So I'm just going to set every of the dried ingredients aside. Everything I use will be listed in the description section below. I'm going to continue by adding the other ingredients on a separate clean bowl and start working on it. It is important you mix everything together to become smooth together so that you won't have lumps inside your batter. Once everything is together, you just use a spatula to just put everything well and also pack the excesses at the sides of the bowl. And I'm going to crack my 2 eggs inside the bowl, one after the other. The reason is because one after the other, you would avoid having lumps so that everything will blend together. Once you are sure that everything is smooth, you add the vegetable oil. Any vegetable oil you can do. Here, I used my sunflower oil. So if you have any vegetable oil, that will do as well. Mix everything until it's well combined smoothly. Then you go ahead and add the other ingredients. The milk, pour in the milk and the vinegar and start working on it again till everything comes together. The reason why I am adding the ingredients one after the other is because of the blending. It's very, very important. If not, it won't be smooth. Here now, after I blended those ones together, I started adding the dried ingredients gradually so that it won't be difficult to work on. As you can see, that color is already out. And before I forget, if you don't have a velvet mix, I actually got this in the supermarket where I went to buy where I normally get my things for baking, and I saw this mix there. But if you don't have a velvet mix, it's still fine. After mixing everything, you can just add a color, which I'm actually adding a little color to it because I needed it to just give me that little touch of the color to just bring it up a little. So if you don't have a velvet mix, it's fine. Just use your regular flour a flour for everything, mix everything, and when you get to this stage, just add more color, because here I actually dropped just a little, so you can add more color to get the color that you need. Continue mixing. As you can see, it came out so smooth, like very soft. Please, if you like what you're watching, don't forget to like the video and give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please consider subscribing. Yes, on this channel we have so many goodies, and we have so many things I do on this channel. I do cooking, recipe, and all of that. So as you can see, my butter is ready. I'm just going to put it into my pan on a inside a preheated oven for 35 to 45 minutes, thereabout, on 170 degrees, and you're good to go. Now, on a separate bowl, while the cake is baking, I'm gonna prepare the first thing. Yes. Hey, this one is nice, it's sweet, it's yummy, it's soft. I don't know how to put it. Like this first thing, I actually did it much because I kept some in the fridge for that I'll be using for cupcake for the kids. So I'm just gonna mix the butter well. I'm just gonna work on the butter. After that, I pour my cream cheese inside. Depending on where you are, if you have cream cheese, any make of your choice, it's fine. Here in Italy, I used mascarpone. So if you know you are watching me from Italy, which most times it's difficult for us to get a particular one to use, mascarpone would do just fine. It's very good for cakes or dessert. After mixing that together, I'm going to pour in my powder sugar. My powder sugar, I used two types. I used the one with vanilla aroma already, and another one that doesn't have the plain one. Then I had an extra little vanilla aroma to it, just to give me that well intense aroma, because I was making a very large quantity. Now the work starts. If you have a stand machine, a stand mixer, please use it, because that will do a very great job for you. So after I finished mixing everything together, I poured everything inside my stand mixer, which, as you can see, was working at the same time with when I was working on the other one. So here I'm mixing the heavy cream. I wiped the heavy cream with a stand mixer because it's very much faster. Trust me. That was how I said before. If you know you have a stand mixer, use it for the other mix as well. Then later use it to wipe your heavy cream. Any which one that is okay for you. So after that, I'm just going to mix everything together, and our first thing is ready and yummy. This is our cake. It's ready. Please, something I would like to tell you, this cake, when I prepared it, when I put it in the oven, that was when that wasn't the time I started making the first thing. I allow it to finish cooking, then I place it outside to cool completely before I started making the first thing, so that it can cool very well. Yes, very important. Now time for the build up. Like, I've never seen something as challenging as this. Anyways, enjoy watching. I tried my best. But it was so yummy. Like, it was so delicious. It was so nice. It was just melting in my mouth. I just tried to just build it up the way I wanted it to be. Just do any style of your choice, and it's good to go. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. And for my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Please don't forget to like this video and share to your loved ones. It's Valentine, and this will be just perfect for your weekend. since everywhere is locked and restaurants are locked, there is lockdown everywhere. So enjoy your cake, try this recipe, and let me know how it went, okay? So, as you can see, I'm just making justice. I'm giving this cake justice. Like, it was so yummy. And I enjoyed making this cake because this is actually my first time of making cake. It's so nice. I make cupcakes, I make bread and all of that, but I haven't made cake before. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Until I see you in my next video. Bye.